Good morning, everybody. This is Jake Easter here at MarineMax in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. Come aboard this 2023 310 SLX. So starting here on the back of the boat, obviously you can see there's a lot of transom space, a lot of walk-through area just to move back and forth. You notice, which is pretty cool, I've got the boat in skyhook mode, so it's connected to a satellite in the sky and keeping us in one spot, so we don't have to drop an anchor or anything like that. Also, the sea deck throughout this boat is pretty unique. It's really comfortable on the feet, keeps your feet nice and cool. Big lounge area here on the back. Good spot to hang out and just relax when you're, off of North Cap or off of Sanibel Island or just hanging out with some friends. So as we make our way through, you'll notice when I was sitting on the sun pad, I've got a large sunshade that extends out over the back of the boat, which will keep you out of the sun down here in Florida when it gets extremely hot. As you make your way through, your battery switches are here when you make your way on. This is a cooler here, which is a cool little feature. You can store some drinks right there so you're not coming all the way into the cockpit. Freshwater wash down. Another little entry step if you're coming up to a floating dock. Another way to get on the boat. So as you make your way into the cockpit, you'll notice you get that really comfort feel. It almost makes you feel like you're sitting at home watching a game on Sunday. I kind of think of this as Coliseum seating. You can fit a lot of people in here, have nice nights out on the water, just relax, hang out with friends and family. You can set a large table up here in the middle that just a good spot to really entertain. Really large galley area on this side. You can put a couple of drinks, set up a little food, wine. This is my favorite spot. The ladies love this spot. Little sink. Little storage down here, but this one's equipped with a refrigerator. Keep some more drinks cold down here. And one hidden feature that's also really unique. Another spot that can act as a cooler or just some more storage if you like. As we make our way forward, this seat will actually pivot and then gives you even more seating to entertain. So again, very unique, very family oriented. This is a great boat just for cruising. As we made our way from the back to the front, again, just the shade from this large hardtop just makes this boat really, really comfortable and cool on those hot days. Really large bolster seats here for 2 people. The wife can ride with the captain if they'd like, or some just like to stay away, so whatever you choose. So like I was pointing out earlier, this boat's equipped with your joystick. You got auto heading, your skyhook, all your navigation. Again, the skyhook option is so cool. I mean, we're sitting here shooting this video, of course, we're not moving. We're not worried about, the boat floating away or anything like that. Auto heading, if we're going Key West or up to Cabbage Key, we can keep the boat in one line, not really have to worry. We're entertaining, we're still talking to everybody on the boat. 2 twin Simrad displays. You've got your navigation here on the right side, all your engine data for your Mercury vessel views. All that stuff's incorporated here on these screens. It looks really, really nice. Sea Ray does a great job making things look high class and luxury. And of course, you've got your few toggle switches in case something were to happen to your displays up front. Fusion stereo. It's got the upgraded stereo system on this boat, large subwoofer. Again, this boat is one of the best entertainers in the business. So if I flip over, got a nice head space. Vacuum flush system, it's upgraded, it's got all the countertops, another little sink down there if you like. And as we make our way forward to the front of the boat, again, just that comfort feel continues to make its way all the way up here. I know Brendan Bailey always talks about him being 6'5", but I'm 6'2", and I'm really, really comfortable in this spot. So you can put 4 people up here, just hang out and relax. You've got storage. Again, storage is a big thing on this boat. There's storage everywhere. It's actually a huge compartment in front of the helm here just to put life jackets and fenders and things like that. Also, this boat's equipped with your spotlight. So if you're out late at night and you're worried about getting back, you can turn that spotlight on and keep you, pointed at your markers to make sure you know where you're going. Anchor windlass up front, which is a huge, huge option. Makes it really easy to just drop anchor, not have to worry about pulling up lines, dropping lines, anything like that. Again, this is Jake Easter at MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Again, I'm just wishing everybody best of luck of getting back on their feet during this tragic time down here in Florida. If anybody needs any help or suggestions or has any questions at all, feel free to give us a call or give me a call. My number is 336-972-8917. And again, thanks for joining us this morning on this 2023 310 SLX. I'd be happy to help any way I can. Thank you.